Leroy.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. R.I.P. Was it vintage?
You know what? I'm gonna just not try to chance it.
07?
Yeah.
Surprised it looks so beat up for an 07.
Oh yeah, that thing is. Yeah, that's gonna be a rough one.
Surgery.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a big work for you.
Yeah, that's rough.
That's what your heart looks like, kind of like that.
But I'm just confused that it's 07. Why is it like this?
Right? Looks like that thing's just gonna shred.
Well, we'll find out. And it's like the wax kind of, because the whole thing's supposed to be wax, but the wax kind of just like
It's melted?
has, yeah, that's what it looks like. I mean, some of it came off, I get it, but for 07, it shouldn't be like this.
Hopefully it's not cooked or something.
We'll find out real quick. Have a great night. Thank you.
Have a good night. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh man, yeah, that cork is like just rough. Why is it so rough? I don't understand. I mean, yeah, I know that Leroy overfills everything, but this thing is like, this is a rough cork. Yeah, okay. That cork is crazy. Nice color. Oh, incredible nose. Incredible nose. That is, the nose is, oh my god, smoky floral. Wow. Magnificent and spectacular.